Ergonomics. It is the scientific discipline concerned with the understanding of interactions among human and other elements of a system, and the profession that applies theory, principles, data, and method to design in order to optimize human well-being and overall system performance. Anthropometry. This is the study of the dimension and proportion of the human body. It's involved measuring the physical characteristics of people such as height, weight, limb length, and body shapes to ensure the product and workshops accommodate a wide range of users comfortably and safety. Biomechanics examines the mechanical aspect of the human body, including how muscles, joints, and bones move and interact. It helps is designing work, tasks, and tools that reduce stress on the body, improve posture, and prevent musculoskeletal disorder. Physiology is a study of how the human body functions. Is ergonomics. It looks at how the body responds to physical demands such as prolonged sitting, lifting, or repetitive movement. It helps design workstation tools and equipment that promote physical well-being and reduce strain or energy. Physics in ergonomics involve the application of mechanical principles such as force, energy, and motion to design tools and environment that minimize physical strain and improve efficiency. This includes understanding concepts like leverage, balance, and force distribution to prevent injury. Physiology. This discipline focuses on human behavior, cognitive function, and perception. Understanding how individuals process information, makes decisions, and react to stress or fatigue is critical to designing systems that minimize error, reduce cognitive overload, and enhance user satisfaction. General engineering. This field integrates principles from mechanical, electrical, and system engineering to design system, tools, and devices that align with human capabilities. General engineering is ergonomics help create efficient, safe, and user-friendly product by considering ergonomics in the design process.